Ready to swap your sneakers for flip-flops? Say adios to housework and hello to hammocks, because today we're diving into affordable Amazon essentials perfect for your next tropical getaway. If you're ready to unpack these amazing deals, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a splendid day, and if you're new here, thanks for clicking. Today, I'm going to share some great discoveries from Amazon that are perfect for Caribbean cruises and tropical getaways. These are all top-rated products, and best of all, these items can be incorporated into your everyday life, so they don't have to be just for vacation. Now, I love Amazon hauls, and not only am I a YouTube creator, but I'm also a big YouTube consumer. So I've gotten some of these recommendations from watching other YouTubers, but for other items, I've discovered those on my own. These are all products that I've purchased, tested, and love. And if you do like Amazon haul videos, I have to recommend Shay Whitney and Kelly Strack. Those are my two go-tos when I want to watch Amazon hauls. They're fantastic. Almost all of the items I'm going to highlight here are in the $30 to $40 range, and some are much cheaper. Of course, prices on Amazon can fluctuate, so keep that in mind. There will be links to all the products in the description box, and also there will be a QR code on screen for each product. So if you're watching this video on your television or on your computer, you can just scan the QR code with your phone and you'll go right to the product page. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's dive in. I'm going to start with an incredible jewelry deal. Now, when I go on a tropical vacation, the one jewelry item I always bring is hoop earrings. I love hoop earrings, especially on a beach, maybe sipping a pina colada. And the ones that I'm wearing right now, these are from Amazon. These are sterling or sterling plated, and they are only $15. But wait, there's more. For your $15, you actually get 3 pairs of these earrings. You get 3 different sizes. You get the ones that I'm wearing now, and you also get a smaller pair. And then you also get a larger pair. So for $15, that's just a great deal. I wear these all the time, and I never wear expensive earrings because I tend to lose them. So these are perfect. I mean, they're $5 a pair. I can't recommend these enough. The next item I have for you is a stunning knit maxi dress. This dress is very soft, lightweight, and it doesn't wrinkle, so it's perfect to pack for a tropical getaway. It comes in a variety of patterns. I own 2 of these dresses. I have this pattern in blue, and I also have it in red, but it comes in a bunch of different designs. I love the blue. It reminds me of the ocean. You guys, I get compliments every single time I wear this dress. It is just so flattering, and it hugs all your curves in all the right places. It's only $35, but it looks much more expensive. Next up is this flattering one-piece bathing suit. I have owned this suit for years, and actually I just repurchased it in brown. So now I own the suit in black and brown. So this is the suit in brown. You can see it here. It comes with a strap if you need a little bit more support, but I prefer it without. It has these sheer sections that I really, really like, which just makes it stand out from like a plain one-piece bathing suit. This is a high-quality suit, and it's insanely affordable, only $35. Like I said, I've had this one for years, and it's held up well even after numerous washings. Here's a similar option that also comes with a strap. It also comes in several cool patterns. I particularly love the leopard print. In fact, I think I'm going to purchase it. This suit is also in the $30 range. Of course, now that you have the perfect bathing suit, you're going to need the perfect cover-up. And I absolutely love this one. I think it's so cute and chic. It also comes in a massive variety of colors, but the one I own is the camel shade. It has close to 3,000 reviews, and it's rated 4.5 stars overall. Just a great buy for $30 or so. Another essential for any tropical vacation is cute flat sandals, and I have 2 that I'm going to highlight here. These are a little bit more expensive. They're in the $40 range, but they're very high quality. I've owned both of these pairs for a long time, and they've held up really well. First, we have these sandals, and I just think they look very, very high-end. These are available in a lot of different colors and patterns, but I really like the raffia ones. They just scream beach to me. Next, I have these soft leather slides that are just as cute as they are comfortable. I wear these all the time, and I've brought these on quite a few trips. I've got more fashion items coming up shortly, but now let's take a break and talk about a couple skin products. And this first one, you guys, I am absolutely obsessed with. It is one of the best beauty products I have ever tried. It's the Dermablend leg and body makeup. And this has SPF 25, so it gives you a little sunscreen while you're on your tropical getaway. And just in case you didn't know I was obsessed with this, I have 3 bottles because I never want to run out. This body makeup just makes your skin look airbrushed, and I'm wearing it on my neck and my chest right now. A couple reasons why I really love this body makeup is because it's buildable and it is transfer proof. Now you have to use a setting powder so that it won't come off. I just use whatever setting powder I have on hand. Dermablend does have a setting powder, and I will link it in the description box, but it's a little expensive, so I just use whatever setting powder I happen to have. This is perfect if you have discoloration or you have varicose veins or anything else that you want to cover, because like I said, it just makes you look flawless. Let's do a little test now. Now, I normally put this on with like a puff or something, but I'm just going to use my fingers just for this test. But let's just use it on this part of my arm where I have a tattoo, and also I've got freckles, of course, so you can see how well it actually covers. There's a video on the Amazon product page that shows you exactly how to apply it. I'm just trying to show you the level of coverage right now. And you can see I almost made my first butterfly disappear. You can see the other wing right here. But that's just how good this product is. I cannot recommend it enough. My next recommendation is the e.l.f. Makeup Setting Spray. I love this because not only does it help my makeup last, but it also has SPF 45, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. And this is very affordable. It's only $15. Before we get into some more fashion items, I would just like to say that if you are enjoying this video, please just take 1 second and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me. It's free, and you can unsubscribe at any time. It just really helps support my channel, and I appreciate it. Now let's get back to it. And I have a great pair of pants to show you. These pants, I'm obsessed with these pants. I wear these all the time. These pants remind me of the Free People brand, but they are much more affordable. They're made of a linen material, they have pockets, and a drawstring waist. These pants are extremely comfortable and just so cute. I have 2 different pairs of these. I have these in black and also in chocolate, but they come in a variety of colors. They're only $35. It's just a great deal. Pair these pants with a tank top and flip-flops, and you're ready for vacation. Speaking of tank tops, I have 2 awesome options for you. The first is a cropped cotton tank, and I'm actually wearing it now. I have it in the black. It's got the little white piping, but I also own it in gray. And this is just a great basic for your wardrobe. The really cool thing about this tank is that it has a built-in bra, so you don't have to worry about straps showing. This tank is around $15, and it's available in more than 30 different colors and patterns. Now, if you don't want a crop tank, I have another option for you, and I love this tank top. I actually own 10 of them, at least 10. I own them in several different colors, and I wear these all the time. This tank is super flattering. It has a slight V-neck and straps thick enough so your bra straps won't show. The tank is very stretchy, so you might want to size down if you're in between sizes. Oh, and this one is under $20, just a great top at a great price. Now I have one more top for you before we move on. I love, love, love this ribbed cropped fitted tee. I own 2 of them, and I think this top is perfect for vacation. You can throw this on with a pair of shorts for a casual look, or pair it with a skirt and sandals for evening. I'm going to wrap this video up with a fabulous bag. This is a vegan leather studded tote bag in a very trendy vintage style. I love this purse for vacation because it's so roomy. I just think this bag is so cute. It looks expensive, but it's not. I love the metal details, the studs along here. It's just a great bag, and it is incredibly roomy. You can put so much stuff in here, so it's perfect for vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to hang out a little bit longer, I will link to videos at the end that you can check out. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you, and thank you for watching. Bye!